pick you up from work today? Or what time was that?
5.
Okay.
That's him. That's him.
Melissa, he's back. He just turned the corner on Lyra and Hopper. He's headed down Hopper now, 6300 Hopper. Here, go inside, go inside. Yeah, he just flew past me on Hopper. I'm gonna try and catch back up with him now. He was eastbound on Hopper. 6'3", he's got a gun, be careful. Two nine, shots fired. Two nine, shots fired. Cheese and Heath, shots fired. Cheese and Heath. Roll medics, roll medics. Suspects down, suspects down. Suspects, show me your hands. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Suspects, stop moving. $6,400 Heath. $6,400 Heath. Stop moving! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!
Stop moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Hey, no more! Stop moving!
Hey, secure the weapon! Secure the weapon!
Stop moving! Hand secure!
Roll HFD, roll HFD.
Roll over! Roll over right now! Let me see.
Negative.
Let me see it,
Bro, let me go, bro.
No, get down. Give me your hands. Give me your hands.
Hands now.
Hands.
No, I'm not giving you shit, bro.
Give the hands. Come on, man.
Hell no, nigga.
Cut.
I got this hand. Right, watch out for my dog.
Everywhere.
He's hit all over.
Stop. Stop it. Stop.
I got it. I got this
Other hand.
You got me.
Grab this hand.
Give me.
Grab it.
I'm good.
Sorry, I was throwing a hot.
You're okay. It's all right.
Fine, Melissa.
Secure the gun.
Hands are slippery right now.
Yeah. No, I don't know. Check the car. Check the car.
Move. All right.
God damn it! Hey, are you hit? Hey, check yourself.
Come on, man. I'm good. He just ran straight into my car.
Are you okay?
You're fine, man.
Stay here. That's clear. Let's get more units over here. Hey, sit down. Sit down. AC-63 was involved in a head-on collision. He's going to need medics. No officer was hit.
He's got one in his arm, so let's put a 10 feet on his arm.
Check his legs. Check it. Hey, Charles, 6-3 evenings.
6-3, go ahead.
6-3. The suspect vehicle just ran straight in front of my vehicle. I'm at Heath and Chiefs.
Hey,
get down!
Okay,
Here's the... Get down! Here's the police! Get down! Ceasefire! 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 Suspect still moving! Drop the weapon! Son of a bitch! Excuse my language.
Don't move! Suspect still moving!
Let me see your left! Let me see your right hand! Hey, moving forward! Moving forward! Do you have eyes on the right hand? Can you see the right hand? All right, hands clear. Hey, don't move your head. Don't move your fucking head.
Can you mind anybody else?
Don't move.
Oh, yeah, that's clear. She's gone.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop fucking moving.
Hold up that phone. You can.
Hey, no more.
Down very quickly.
Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Hands secure. Hands secure.
Roll HFD, roll HFD.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over right now. Let me see.